Why is your LSA not working? You set up the account, put a budget behind it, you're getting a trickle of leads while your competitor down the street is getting slammed with calls. Same platform, same market, completely different results. I'm going to tell you exactly why that's happening. We spent $1.8 million on local service ads across 97 contractor accounts over 15 months, 18,125 leads tracked, and we dug into the data. One variable predicted performance every single time. It wasn't the budget, it wasn't the service categories, it wasn't the market, it was Google reviews, specifically how many you have. The contractors generating 56 leads a month from LSA are not smarter than you. They're not outspending you, they just figured this out first. By the end of the video, you know exactly what your tier you're in, what it's costing you, and what to do about it. Before we go into this, if you're running a home service company doing a couple of million a year and you feel like you should be further ahead, you're not crazy. There's a reason for it. It's the same thing that we see over and over again. It's not a lead problem. It's what happens after the lead comes in. Missed calls, slow follow-up, no real system behind it. That's where money is being lost. And that's exactly what we're going to be breaking down at a small event we're hosting in Miami, May 22nd. How to scale past 10 million by turning the ads you're already getting into real revenue using better systems than AI. I'll be covering the marketing visibility side. Brittany Fisher is going to be talking about partnerships and growth. And Nihal Kaiser, who built a $100 million company, is going deep on sales teams, leadership, and what it actually takes to scale. We're keeping it small, around 30 people. If that sounds like where you're at, I'll put the details below. I'm Mauricio. I run Contractor Marketing Pros. We build lead generation systems for home service companies. Roofing, HVAC, plumbing, remodeling, contractors doing at least $3 million per year and up. LSA is one of the core channels we manage at scale. So when I tell you that we have 15 months of real spend data across 97 accounts, I'm not talking about a blog post someone wrote. I'm talking about accounts we run every day, budgets we control, results we're accountable for. That's the data we're going to look at today. And this tells a very clear story. Here's what most contractors do when LSA underperforms. They raise the budget, they wait a few weeks, results barely move, then they adjust the categories. Still nothing. Then they call the agency or call Google and they get vague answers about account optimization, which tells them nothing useful. So either call Google to complain that the budget isn't being spent, or they write the entire platform off entirely and say LSA doesn't work. Both are wrong conclusions. Here's what's actually happening behind the scene. Google is not running your LSA like a standard ad auction. It is not purely pay to play. Google is in the business of protecting its own reputation. When they put your business at the top of the page above every other result, they are making a recommendation to a homeowner. Their name is attached to that recommendation. And Google does not recommend businesses it doesn't trust. How does Google measure trust for a local contractor? Reviews. The volume reviews on your Google's business profile, the recency of those reviews, the consistency of new ones coming in. That is a ranking signal most contractors are completely ignoring. And the gap between contractors who understand this, the ones who don't, is the difference between 5 leads a month and 56. Now I have the real numbers. Here's the full picture from the data. Tier 1, under 100 leads, 4.9 leads a month, about $90 per lead. Tier 2 is between 100 and 299 reviews. It's about 11.6 per leads a month. It's about $99 per lead. Tier 3, 300 plus reviews, is 56 leads per month at $104 per lead. Here's where the numbers get brutal, because the cost per lead across these 3 tiers is actually pretty close. $90 bottom tier, $99 in the middle, and $105 at the top. This might look like the low review contractors are getting a better deal. They're not. Here's what's actually happening. The sub 100 tier isn't paying less because their campaign is efficient. They're paying less because Google isn't showing their ad. Low spend, low trust, low volume. The budget sits there and barely gets touched because Google won't send leads to a business it hasn't validated yet. The tier 3 contractors are spending more in total because Google's actually spending their budget. That platform trusts them, it surfaces their ads, and the leads flow. So let's run the real math. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our weekly contractor marketing content. Tier 1. 4.9 leads per month. Close 30% to $8,000 per average job value. That's 1 to 2 jobs a month from LSA. About $12,000 in revenue. Tier 3, 56 point leads per month. Same close rate, same job value. That's roughly 17 jobs a month. Over $130,000 in revenue. That's $118,000 per month gap. Not because the top tier contractor found a cheaper lead, because they unlock 11 times the volume. And here's the part that makes it worse. The contractor stuck at 5 leads per month has almost no path to fixing this by sending more. We see it constantly. They raise the budget, nothing moves. Google will spend it until the review foundation is there. The tap stays mostly closed. Every month you stay in the wrong tier, that's money sitting on the table where a competitor collects it. Now, let me show you exactly what the 3 tiers actually look like in our data. Because once you see these numbers, you know immediately where you stand and what has had to change. We broke our 97 client accounts into 3 tiers based on their Google business profile review count. Tier 1, under 100 Google reviews. These accounts average about 5 leads per month. If that sounds like your account right now, that is why. Not the budget, not the market. You're in tier 1 and Google Google is not prioritizing your listing. Tier 2, between 100 and 299 reviews. These accounts average about 12 leads per month, more than double Tier 1, same platform, same general spend levels. The difference is the review count. Tier 3, 300 or more reviews. This is where LSA actually performs. These accounts average 56 LSA leads per month. And here's a real world example that makes this concrete. One of our clients, a roofing and siding company, had built 1,299 Google reviews in 1 year. That account generated 2,324 LSA leads, 2,324 leads in a single year from one channel. This is what the platform does when the review foundation is in place. Platform works. The data proves it. The question is whether your review profile is positioned to take advantage of it. I know that some of you are thinking, my competitor already has 400 reviews. I have 60. Is it even worth trying to catch up? Yes, and here's why. Reviews are not a one-time race. They're a moving target, which actually works in your favor. Google weighs recency heavily. A business with 400 reviews that stopped collecting 6 months ago is losing ground to a business with 150 reviews that's been pulling consistently 20 to 30 new reviews a month. Momentum matters more than the current total. We watch clients move from Tier 1 to Tier 2 in 60 to 90 days with a focused review collection process. The jump from Tier 2 to Tier 3 takes longer, but the lead volume difference at each stage is significant enough that you feel almost immediately. You are not too far behind to compete. You're just too far behind to wait. So here's what the contractors in our top tier actually did. This is not a framework. Here's what they actually did. First, they asked on every single job, without exception, a review. Not an email blast once a quarter, not a handwritten note in the invoice. A direct text message sent to the customer within 24 hours of job completion with a direct link to leave a Google review. That's it. One message, one link, sent consistently on every job. The contractors averaging 20 to 30 new reviews a month are not doing anything complicated. They built a simple follow-up sequence into the workflow and they stuck to it. Most of them automated through their CRM, but happens without anyone remembering to do it. Second, they treated their review count like a KPI. In the same way you track leads or close rate, they track reviews. They knew their number, they had a monthly goal. Someone on the team was accountable for it. When a month was slow, they knew it and adjusted. If you're not tracking your review count the same way you track revenue, you're not treating it like the business asset it is. Third, they run LSA as part of a system, not as a standalone. The contractors getting 56 leads aren't just running LSA. They have organic SEO to build their long-term visibility. They have Google Ads capturing high-intent search traffic. When an LSA lead comes in, they have a follow-up process that contacts that person within minutes, not hours. That last part matters more than most people realize. The platform delivers the lead. What happens in the next 5 minutes determines whether you get the job. A contractor who calls back in 5 minutes wins significantly more business than one who calls back within 2 hours later. Your response time is part of the conversation system. LSA is a powerful channel, but it works best when the review foundation is solid and the rest of the system supports it. Here's the bottom line. For 15 months and 1.8 million in contractor LSA spend. Google reviews are the single biggest variable controlling your LSA performance. Under 100 reviews, about 5 leads a month. Between 100 and 200 reviews is about 12 leads a month, and 300 plus reviews is about 56 leads a month. If LSA isn't performing the way you expected, check your review tier before you blame the platform. And if you're behind, start moving, because your competitor is not waiting for you. If you want to know exactly where account stands and what it will take to move up a tier, we do free strategy calls. We look at your LSA account, your review profile, and your current lead flow. We tell you what you see and what you'd fix. No pitch, just real information. Link to book that call is in the description below. If this was useful, subscribe. We put out data-driven content for contractors who want to make better marketing decisions, not opinions. Real data from real accounts. I'll see you in the next video.